Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you what I pack as far as beauty products, makeup, skincare, whatnot. I'm going to show you how I'm going to pack those items to go out of town. We are going to St. Bart's, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I pack what I'm taking and how I decide what I'm taking. So here is a makeup or beauty organizer. I purchased this at Ulta. This has a mesh pocket here and then a zippered part here. It also has a zippered part on this side and then it just closes like this. This is by the brand Tarte and Twine. So I did get this at Ulta. It was a little expensive. It was like $52, but I went ahead and purchased it because I had some points saved up and I went ahead and got it because I really did need one. Now this one looks almost the same, but it's more like just a side zipper pouch. This one I got at Walmart and this is by the brand Sophia Joy. This one was like maybe $6.97, almost $7. So honestly, if you want to get something in this pattern, but you want something more like this, I would definitely go to Walmart because this was, like I said, very expensive. Unless you have like a coupon or points, I would definitely use them to actually get one of these. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this up. I am gonna show you guys what I'm going to be taking. So I am going to be taking my Tretinoin Cream. This is the 0.1%. I am going to be taking that. I'm also going to be taking, this is like an eye gel for my eye just in case it gets bad. I am going to be taking this Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Daily Cleanser. I used this a couple of times and it's not too bad. This is a smaller version. I am going to take this. When we get there, I'm actually going to buy all of my skincare there. I did it last time and they have some really wonderful products. So I'm just gonna buy my skincare, my SPF there, all the things that I would actually take in here and that I need, I'm gonna buy those items there. Anyway, I'm gonna take this. And then for a moisturizing cream, I'm gonna take this. I got this as a sample, and this is really good. You could use this as a primer, as a mask, moisturizing cream. It's just a really good product. You can get this like at any like derm store, beautify.com. So yeah, I'm gonna take this small version, but I'm only taking these two products just in case the store is closed on Sunday because we get there Saturday evening and I don't think we're gonna get there when they're open. So if the stores are closed on Sunday, I'll have something to wash my face with and put like some moisturizer on. And then I'm gonna take this lip balm. This is by Blistex. This is the Lip Infusions. I just recently purchased this and I really do love it. It makes my lips soft and supple, so I really do like it. I am gonna take this nail brush because I like my nails clean underneath. So I am gonna take this nail brush and use this while I'm out there. This was only like $1 at Walmart, so that's why I purchased it. So I'm actually gonna put those products in here. I am going to take this magnifying mirror. I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond. I like this because sometimes I need to be really close to a mirror where I can see when I'm plucking my eyebrows or when I'm doing my eyebrows. So yeah, I need something that's close up, so I ended up getting one of those. This is a polishing primer. This is so good for my hair, guys. It makes my hair so silky soft. I use this actually right before I blow dry or I style. It just does such a great job for my hair. So if you haven't tried this, definitely try it. It's a good primer. It helps with keeping your hair really nice and silky. I did buy the Sol de Janeiro hand sanitizers. I bought 2 of these. I love the scent of this, so I'm definitely gonna take them both. So I'm just gonna lay them like this. And I also bought some hand cream. This I'm not gonna take in this bag. I'm actually going to take this on my carry-on because I need hand cream all the time. My hands get so dry this time of year, so I definitely wanted to go ahead and keep this on hand. I am gonna be taking these facial towelettes by Kirkland, but I'm going to put these in my carry-on or actually in my checked-in bag, just like this. I'm not gonna stick them in this pouch or anything like that. It's just way too big. So for primer, I'm gonna take my Tatcha primer. This is the liquid silk canvas primer. And of course, for foundation, I'm taking my RCMA Makeup Foundation. This one I absolutely love. I recently tried it and it's my new favorite foundations. I am going to take my MAC Mattifying Primer. This is actually called MAC Mattifying Primer, but I always say Mattifying Primer. And for setting spray, I'm going to take the One Size setting spray. This is actually a mattifying waterproof setting spray, so I do want to take this, especially if I'm going to be out and about and it's, you know, going to be hot. I do want to use setting spray when I go out to dinner and do my makeup, so yeah, I'm definitely going to take this. Here's something I'm going to take for my brushes. I love these e.l.f. brush cleaners. They're really good for a quick brush cleaning. So I'm going to take a few of these. I think I got like 4 here, and I'm going to put them in this zipper. I am going to take my Orbe Gold Lust. This is the Nourishing Hair Oil. This is my favorite hair oil. So as you can see, I've used most of it up, but I'm gonna take the rest with me. Unfortunately, I don't have a top on this, so I'm gonna have to stick like a plastic piece over it, but I'm probably gonna put it in this like pouch here. Yeah, that way if it spills, it doesn't spill all in here. I am gonna take a couple of these samples that I got. I have this Danessa Myricks Beauty Vision Flush. This is lip, cheek, and eye color. So I'm gonna take these because a little goes a long way. I figured this would be a perfect product to wear like to the beach, you know, when you don't wanna do like a bunch of makeup, you just want that like sun-kissed look. So I'm definitely gonna take this sample. Another sample I'm gonna take from Danessa Myricks is the Vision Cream Cover. I do love her concealer, so I figured I would take this one. Again, this is a product that a little goes a long way, so you don't need a lot. So I'm just gonna use this when I do my concealer there, and I'll put those right here. All right, so on this end, I'm gonna take my Catrice Prime Fine Mattifying Powder. This is a waterproof powder. I definitely wanna take something to keep my T-zone matte, so I'm putting it right there. I'm taking my Well People powder for setting my under eyes. I'm taking one of my favorite bronzers. It's the Ilia bronzer. It is really dirty on the outside. I tried to clean it, but it's like stained, but this is one of my favorites. This is in the shade Novelty. I'm also taking one of my favorite powders right now, and it's the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I was gonna take my Bare Minerals powder, but this one gives me a little bit more coverage, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this one. And I'm definitely taking my Sephora. This is the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. This is in the shade Tan. This is like to just buff everything together. It's just a beautiful finish. And then for the beach, I'm taking this Makeup Forever powder. I love this powder just for putting this on my skin, giving it a very like light, flawless look. This is the Matte Velvet Skin Powder, and I have the shade Y365. So I'm definitely gonna take this one just for like beach days, you know, where you just want a light layer of makeup. You don't want too much. So the palette I'm gonna take, I'm not taking very many palettes. I'm just taking this one. It's called the Man Eater. Guys, I waited for this to come into Ulta because it was out of stock like forever. It's like one of the most beautiful like natural palettes. You could do day looks with it, night looks. So I'm definitely gonna take this one because I have been really enjoying it. And then I'm gonna take a couple of toppers. So I just recently picked up these 2 products by Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. These are like a gel glitter topper. It's not glittery in the sense that it's chunky. Like if you look right there, it has like the glitter specks in it, but it's not like super glittery. Let me swatch one for you so you can see. See, I put it on the back of my hand and look how beautiful that is. And you don't even need a glitter glue. So yeah, I'm gonna take this one, which is called North Star. This one's like a bronzy shade. And the other one I'm taking is Frozen. So this is more like a gold bronze. So I am gonna take this perfume. It's the Sol de Janeiro perfume. It's a travel size. So I went ahead and purchased this during the sale, and I really love this scent. It smells so good, especially for summer. So I wanted to go ahead and take a perfume, and I think that's going to be the only perfume I take. I'm also taking my Anastasia Cream Concealer. I do love the Danessa Myricks, but like for day, I like putting a little bit of this on and just patting it under the eye. So I'm definitely taking this one. I'm taking my favorite lip plumper, and it's by Buxom. This is my all-time favorite, guys. It's so good. It really works too. I'm also taking this Great Lash Mascara. It's a clear mascara for my lash extensions. So like when they're like getting piecey, I usually brush through them and then I apply just a tad bit of this, and it really works for my lashes and it doesn't like remove the lash. So I'm taking that. I'm also taking my MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. This is a brand new one that I just opened. I'm gonna take this for my lower lashes. And of course, you guys know I've got to take my Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Tan, my favorite thing for covering up my imperfections. And then I'm gonna take this Refi. This is a gloss that I purchased during the Sephora sale. Guys, this is so gorgeous. It's like a highlighter and a gloss on your cheeks. And you can use it pretty much anywhere, but I like it for my cheekbones, so I'm gonna take this one. I'm also going to take the Merit one that I got in Kava. This is a really beautiful highlighter, so I'm definitely gonna take that one. For cream bronzer, I'm taking the Danessa Myricks cream bronzer. This one is in the shade, I think this was in the shade medium. Yeah, this one's in the shade medium too. This is a really good cream bronzer. And then of course I'm taking my Undone Lip to Cheek palette. This one is in Rosewood. And then I'm taking a Melt Cream Blush, and this one is Sandy Cheeks. This one's more of a peachy tone. There it is right there. It is a little messy because I do like to use it. So that's that. For eye primer, I'm taking my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Eye Primer. So I am gonna take this Juvia's Place. This is a red matte lip. This is in the shade Red Velvet. I love this matte lip cream. I think it's really nice on the lips, and I wanted to like wear a red lip one night, so I'm definitely taking this one. All right, so I am taking some nude lip products, of course. I'm taking this nude lip pencil. This is a darker nude. It's in Nutmeg. This is by NYX. I'm gonna take my MAC lip pencil and strip down. And then I'm gonna take another one of my favorite KKW Beauty lip pencils, and this is in Nude 2. So I'm taking those nude lip liners, and I'm taking two nude lipsticks. One of them is Baddest Beige, and this one is by Maybelline, and the other one is called June Gloom, and that's by Urban Decay. So I'm taking both of these. And then for red lip liner, I'm gonna take this one in Kitten Heels. This is a really beautiful, like bright red. And then I'm gonna take a couple lip glosses from NYX. One is Madeline and the other one is Fortune Cookie. I am taking my eyebrow pencil from Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm also taking the Patrick Ta Lamination Gel. I'm also taking my NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. I like wearing the Tinted Brow Mascara when I'm like at the beach because it fills in my brows really nicely and I'm not really having to put a lot of product on them. The only reason I'm taking the other two products is for nighttime, like when we go to dinner. So that's all the makeup that I'm taking. And then I'm going to add some stuff here. And I'm going to add one of these face razors. I really like these for my upper lip and also for my brows. It's just really quick and convenient. I'm also gonna put my brush, my nail brush in there. One thing I am gonna take is this Tide to Go pen. I will be carrying this on my carry-on. I'm not gonna carry it in here because I do wanna have access to it if something were to go wrong, like I spill something. I'm taking a bunch of these Lash Wands. These are actually for my lashes. So I'll carry one of these with me on the plane, and then I'll also have some in here, and they're disposable. So when I use them, I can throw them away if need be. And then I'm gonna take this Indie Lee Vanish Stick. I just got this when I made a purchase at Camera Ready Cosmetics. They gave me this as a sample. So this is like a blemish stick. It actually has a wand in it, and you just place it on top of your blemish and it actually helps with the redness. So I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take these plackers. I do love these for flossings. This is almost a new bag, so I'm just gonna take this with me. And then I'm taking these flash patches from Patchology. These are Rejuvenating Eye Gels. These are some of my favorites because they really wake up the eye. You know, if you have puffy eyes or, you know, dry eyes, they really wake them up, they hydrate them. So yeah, I really like these. So I'm gonna be taking these, and I'll just stick this in here with that. So let me zip this up. So that's everything that I'm taking as far as beauty, makeup, and skincare. And then I have some brushes. So I think what I'm gonna do is put the brushes in here. I don't wanna put them with any kind of product. So this is gonna have to go like in a bag by itself, because I just don't want to put any product in with my brushes. These are my Sanji travel brushes. This was the brush set that came out, I want to say last year. You can use these on cream products, on powder products, so I'm going to take these. So for larger brushes, this is the e.l.f. Putty Primer blush. e.l.f. Putty Primer brush, but I use it for other things. I don't use it for the putty primer. And this is for like the cream products. Like your cream blushes. This is also by e.l.f. This is by Real Techniques. It's just a big face powder brush. And then this one here is also a medium-sized brush, and you can use it for blush, you can use it for bronzer, or whatever you'd like. So those are going in this bag as well. I am taking one beauty sponge by Wet n Wild, and I'm taking a puff. These are the puffs that I recently purchased on Amazon. I love them for setting like under eye powder or even setting your face powder. So in this bag, I can go ahead and put the plackers. So I may stick some more things in here that are like, you know, dry type of products, nothing with like liquid in it. Whatever else I need, I can just stick it in there. I am gonna take some sunglasses that I wanted to show you guys. I just bought these this past year. These are the Gucci sunglasses. I like the detail on the back or on the sides. So I am gonna take these because I have not worn them. So I'm gonna take those with me. So these are some Yves Saint Laurent glasses that my daughter purchased for me for my birthday one year. So I'm gonna take these because I thought they would look so cute with the bathing suits that I'm wearing. I actually picked up a couple of bathing suits from Monday Swimwear, and I also have some bathing suits from Target that I'm gonna be taking. So if you wanna see what bathing suits that I got, please comment down below, let me know. But yeah, these are the sunglasses that I'm going to be taking with me on the trip. And that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And we will see you guys on the next one. Bye.